Hi friends, you are a new viewer for our channel. Please subscribe our channel and touch the bell icon. This kind of good videos will come to your mobile. Hi friends, good evening. This is your Srinivas. Welcome to our channel. I am very happy. Friends, how are you? I hope that you are all very well. And my dear 10th class students, you are waiting for revision classes for this academic year. Now all the problems due to COVID or pandemic situation, everything is clear. The government has to going to conduct the exam. The syllabus, the schedule also came. I should explain the schedule. What are the exams what are the time of exams? What are the first exam? The date is I can explain in our video also. Friends, now we have to do one thing. How many days are left over? What is the process we should follow to revision? In this way, most of the students are getting somewhat trouble in mathematics because some online classes, some due to absence, whatever it is, the problems are leave it. Okay, but we have to overcome that problems. We have to pakka make a plan in our self revision style. That revision style you have to follow. That we can explain in your revision style what you want thinking. We can help you to get the 10 GPA in mathematics definitely in this year also. Already we proved last year, this year also we are going to prove it. And my dear friends, in academic way and means traditional way, government examination way, I am going to explain exercise wise problems. Already in 5th chapter I started in different new strategy. In that 5.1 is over. Now we are in begin with 5.2 exercise. Each and every question I should explain with your convenience for both Telangana and AP students. Right? Let us start with the very interesting topic, that is factorization. In a quadratic equation, find the roots by using factorization method. Clear? As you know very well, every quadratic equation has to solve by three different methods: general method and formula method and completing square method. But this year completing square method is omitted from the syllabus. So we are going to solve this. First general method, let us see that the first method we are going to solve this question. Now let us see the first question in front of you, dear friends. Find the roots of x square minus 3x minus 10 equals 0 by factorization method. Okay, children, what is the general form of quadratic equation? Just we have to recapitulation our previous knowledge, right? Yes, usually we know very well ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Say in the sense, in this I have to frame one question. What is the main condition of quadratic equation? Yes sir, very important question. That is, every quadratic equation, the general form of ax square plus bx plus c, whatever it is, a comma b comma c are real numbers, and the condition should be a is not equal to 0. Then it is called as quadratic equation. And one more important technique in the part B area I can express to you. Then after I can start the traditional method solutions for you, dear children. Now do the concentrate, and every time I am saying one suggestion, and every time I am telling to you one request also, you can think like that. You have to share our channel to your classmates, friends, whatever. It can be useful for them. This is a situation, right situation. It can be useful for them. And you also watch this video till end. Now see the friend. The condition of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 is a not equal to 0. Some smart students are thinking in the examination time, because this time we are having more part B questions are there. 10-20 questions we are facing part B area. So in that also very important, you should get 20 by 20, no? Because 10 GPA you want means that is very important. Dear children, in that 20, in sometimes we should follow the smart work. In this way, some questions are there. Find the roots of the quadratic equation. You don't have time. In the time sense, in the time consumption, you can guess the answer by seeing this technique. You can very easy manner. For example, this question maybe is there in the option. In the question, the option, this question maybe is there in the exam in part B area. You are having 4 options are there. That 4 options, one is 2 options are positive sign, 2 options are one positive negative, negative positive, both are negative. Which option is correct? We have to think like that. If you know this technique, then you can identify the answer. Let us see here. Here this is a quadratic equation having all are positive sign only. Definitely the roots must be negative mode only. When all the signs should be positive, we are getting an option the roots must have negative sign. For suppose this question is having one answer. For suppose this question is having like this answer. 5 comma minus 2 minus 5 comma plus 2 minus 5 minus 2 plus 5 plus 2. These are the options. First suppose Nana, I am telling to you. Actually I want to say the solution fatafat, but the difference will be the part B and traditional. You must know that. That is our motto of our tagline of our channel. Every student get rid of phobia of mathematics. They must know from the root how the German people will get the Nobel Prize. They have to invention from the root. From the root only they can think. So in the sense we can also think like that. So these are the 4 conditions. For suppose these kind of questions are there in the paper. We don't go for solution. Just tick the answer, tick the shot, then we get the marks. You let us see. Here all are same sign means positive only. What kind of answers we are getting? Negative signs only. Whatever the options, what is the numbers are the leave it. Sign you can see. Next. One is positive, middle one is negative. Then definitely we will get both are positive roots only. Here both first second middle and last one is negative. We should get one positive sign, one negative sign. Clear? And here one is also negative is there. Any two negatives, any two positives are there. We are getting plus minus signs, plus minus sign or minus plus, whatever it is. Then we will get the answer. Very easy. This question is having, don't think about the solution, how to process. The time we have to save it. Here both terms are negative. Both terms are negative mode. Then we will get one positive, one negative. In option one positive, one negative is where? Yes, both are positive, it is not a. Both are negative, it is not a option. These two are maybe options. Here 2 options are there. Positive, negative, negative, positive. Right? In this, which is bigger number is having positive side. Where is the bigger number? Because here middle number is having negative, the bigger number will comes to positive. This is also one important point to notice it. Isn't it? Then your answer is 5 comma minus 2. See how many seconds to see this answer, to solve this answer. Right? Same process. Here, once again remember that 4 type of questions will come in the exam. To find the roots of any kind of questions are given in the exam. But suppose one more example you can see. X square minus 4x plus 3 equals 0. No need to solve it. What are the roots is asking? Simple amma. Yes, middle one negative will be there. We should get positive numbers. For example, options will be there like this. 1 comma minus 3, minus 1 comma plus 3, minus 1 comma 3, minus 1 minus 3. I told you the technique. The technique is that when the one negative sign is there in as a coefficient of b, then we will get 2 positives. Plus plus. Where is the plus plus terms? Yes, your guessing is correct. Yes, this is the absolute answer. Remaining we don't see. Trick it and trick the answer. That's it. This is the technique. Friends, this is not only for 10th class children. 8th students, 9th students and who are participating, who are going to write the competitive exams, police sector, TSRJC, ABS, constable and whatever it is, banking exams. This technique may be useful for you. This kind of technique I can say coming in the classes also. Now see, stay tuned about the channel. Now we have to go with traditional process. Let us see. Yes, x square minus 3x minus 10. What are the coefficient of x square? 1. This kind of quadratic equation we can call as mono quadratic equation or monic quadratic equations. Now here you have to multiply with coefficient of x square and constant. Then we will get 1 into minus 10. 1 into minus 10 we should get minus 10 only. What are the factors of 10? Which is sufficient for the middle term coefficient? What is the middle term coefficient? Minus 3. If you are taking any factors, you have to sum, or we have to subtract, we will get minus 3. For suppose 10 is the composite number, we should get 1 times 10. 1 plus 10, 11 is not there here. 1 minus 10, 9 also not there here. Minus 10 I want. So we can think it. Oh, right sir. 2 5s are 10. Yes, 2 into 5. 2 5s are, if you are multiplied, you will get this term. 2 5s are 10. If you are add or subtract, definitely you will get this middle term coefficient. But here, which number is having negative sign, which number is having positive term, you may have a doubt. Simple. Here negative is there now. In this, which is the biggest number? 5. 5 is having negative sign, 2 is having positive sign. So 2 minus 5 nothing but minus 3. 2 into minus 5 nothing but plus into minus. Minus 2 5s are 10. Yes, the process again I repeat it. If you are taking any two factors, if you do multiply it, then you will get this number. If you are add or subtract, definitely you will get this coefficient of middle number. Then only the terms or the factors are sufficient for this question. Now let us see, friends, x square, this minus 3x will be split into two parts. That is why this process also called as splitting method. Splitting method. So minus 3x can be divided into two parts, plus 2 and minus 5x. Here constant you should write as it is. Now take the common x. X will become inside. Plus 2 and take the common 5. X will 5 into x 5x. Here minus into plus minus 5 to the 10. Friends, remember, when you are taking the common, these two bracket terms must be similar. This is a process is very important, Amma. When you are taking finding the factorization of this quadratic equation, these two brackets must be similar. Then only your answer will be going to correct way. Now, what are the common terms? X minus 5. What are the bracket terms? X plus 2. Take this one number. So these two are called factors. These two are called factors. But our question, roots. That means you have to compare x minus 5 equals to 0. Then x plus 2 equals to 0. Then I should get x equals to 5. X equals to minus 2. Therefore, the roots of given quadratic equation is 5 comma minus 2. This is complete solution for you. See children, how it is very easy, na? Coefficient is 1. Monoquadratic equation. Product of these two, we should get minus 10. What are the factors we are taking here? These two must be satisfy the two conditions. If you are multiplied, you will get minus 10. If you are add, you will get minus 3. Clear? Now let us see one more good question for you. Here 2x square plus x minus 6 equals 0. Here different coefficient. X square having these two different, na? So this kind of questions also we can do easy method. Let us see here. Yes, what is the condition? 2 into minus 6 minus 12. If you want to take any two factorizations, any two factors must be equals to minus 12 when it is multiplied. So I should go with 3 4 ja 12, but I want minus 12. 3 minus 4, 1 will get. But here what is the sign? Plus. So definitely this middle coefficient having plus sign, the plus sign will be considered to big number. Here big number is having plus, small number is having minus. Here negative is there. In this big number is having negative, small number is having positive. This is you can keep in your mind. Friends, 4 minus 3, 1. We are getting this is 1. Clear? If you multiply minus 3 into plus 4, nothing but minus 12. So these two factors are satisfying these two conditions. Then only we have to substitute. 2x square. This will be split into two parts. Minus 3x plus 4x minus 6 equals 0. Now I should take the common here because 2, 3 are different numbers. That is the reason I should take the x is a common. X is a common. 2x minus 3. If I take the common 2, because I want to get first number 2x, here 2x I want to means here 4 will be there. 2 into 2, like that you can thinking now. Now 2 into 2x, 2 over x, 2 3 is 6, you see. S must be similar. Then our answer is going to very correct way. Now x plus 2 into 2x minus 3 keep in bracket, then these two are called factors, but he is asking roots. So he is asking find the roots of the quadratic equation. That means x plus 2 equals to 0 2x minus 3 equals 0. X equals to minus 2, 2x equals to 3, x equals to 3 by 2. Plus 2 transfer right side minus 2, minus 3 transfer right side plus 3, 2 comes to denominator. Therefore, the roots will be minus 2 comma 3 by 2 of this quadratic equation. Clear, friends? Here coefficient is 1, we can do that. Coefficient is another, any other number is there, we can do it. Very easy. Some students are smart students also will be there now in our channel. They are asking, sir, this question we can solve fraction of second in the part B area. Already I did it about these videos in polyset area. Many beautiful videos are there. You can see there, get the knowledge. But anyhow, I can say the sample technique you see. Yes, what are the factors you are getting? Minus 3, 4. What are the coefficient of x square? 2. Take it down by 2 by 2. Take it as down by 2 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 comes outside. It will be changed the sign. Plus 3 by 2. 4 by 2. 2 1 2 2. Plus 2 come outside. Comparing to 0 come outside. Sign will be changed. Minus 2. Yes. Finish. How many seconds? Count it. Below 10 seconds. Like that, many techniques I can share to you better because knowledge is divine. That's it. Next, let us come to the beautiful question. One more interesting question in terms of roots. Let us see. Here, what is the coefficient of x square? Root 2. Here, what is the constant term? 5 root 2. So I can multiply the process root 2 into 5 root 2. Here, anything is not there means you can take it as 1. 5 1 is 5. Root 2 into root 2, root 4 value 2, 5 is 10. 10 we should find factors. 10 factors, 2 5s are clear. Because here 7 is there, 2 plus 5, 7, that's it. Factorization, 2, 5, both are positive. I told you, no, all are positive sign will be there, then the roots are factors which is get positive numbers only, plus 2 plus 5, that's it. Now you can write like that, split it, 7x. Split into two parts, 2x plus 5x and 5 root 2 will be there, you can write as it is. You are taking the common is very important because if I take the common x, inside I should get root 2x plus 2. But here if I take the common 5, I can take x plus root 2. But both are not same. Akanda dialogue, no? Both are not same. Then we can think idea, oh right, let us see my dear friends. I can change the style. This kind of question you do concentrate on. Okay. Now take the common root 2x. X will come. Here shall I write like this? Because root 2x into x, root 2x square, root 2x into root 2, 2x. Root 2 means root 4. Root 4 means 2 only. Now let us come this side. 5 take the common. Yes, I should get x plus root 2. Both are same. Then comparison, root 2x plus 5 and x plus root 2 is equals to 0. Now I should compare root 2x plus 5 is equals to 0, x plus root 2 equals to 0. Then we can write here root 2x equals to minus 5, x equals to minus 5 by root 2. Clear? Next, x equals to minus plus root 2 transfer right side will becomes to minus 2. Therefore, the roots will be minus 5 by root 2 minus root 2 only. This is the way of to solve the factorization of quadratic equation in easy manner, complete, easy to understand method I can explain today. I hope that you are enjoying for this video, you are learning something from this video today, and I have to take the remaining questions in next video. Till then, practice it, dear friends. When the man is perfect, practice makes man perfect. When the math is perfect, yes, practice makes maths perfect. This is the only tagline, this is the only one root of in your life. Practice it, and my small request, share our channel to your friends and your family members. Till then, practice well. Bye bye.